He's almost got it. The parakeet on top of this feeder. He's got the grip. He's lifting. Absolutely incredible. That bird figured out that on this bird feeder, there's a button that needs to be pressed at the top of the dome to unlock it. So he switched and started focusing on this one. Does not need a button to unlock it, just pulls up. He still hasn't been able to figure out how to do that while he's on it. You're gonna need a partner for that. Oh, beautiful. These birds are smart. They're gorgeous and they are so smart. I don't believe in sticking birds like this in cages. I do consider them my birds, but they are wild, fully. I feed them every day, give them water, they've got toys. But otherwise, they come and go when they want. But they come every day, year round. They don't leave in the winter. These guys come in the snow. The whole thing is an absolutely crazy phenomenon. Of all the stories, which is true, how these things got here, Long Island, doesn't really matter. The fact that they stayed here and that they don't leave, that to me is just a whole nother level. You see a tropical parakeet in the white snow. My God. Gorgeous. Tell the truth, everybody. If I didn't tell you where I was. Matter of fact, if I told you I was in the Amazon or something comparable, I'm telling you that's not believable. Wait, buddy. Wait. My pretty girl. It's absolutely incredible.